Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller at the intersection of Legacy Drive and Coit Road with a heads up on some upcoming construction that will cause delays. Weather permitting, beginning Monday, September 13th and Tuesday the 14th, Public Works crews will be performing permanent concrete repairs right at the intersection of Legacy Drive and Coit Road from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. During the repairs, only one lane will be open to through traffic in each direction, so expect delays. All lanes will reopen to traffic at 4 p.m. each day. See you soon for another Stoller on the Street.